I see your face in every line of every dream that once was mine. Your touch still lingers on my skin, like something pulling me within. I hear your voice in silent tears. It's been too long, too many years, but every road I wander through leads me back, leads me to you. And I've been holding all this love inside, no more places left to hide. I need you more than words can ever show, more than the wind, more than the flow, more than a heart can stand to lose. Every breath I take, I choose you. I need you like the flame needs air, like every soul needs someone there. No matter where this life may lead, all that I am, I need you. I need you. Every second feels so real when I remember how you feel. Your eyes, they held me like a home, a place I never felt alone. I tried to learn to stand apart, but distance only breaks the heart. And every step away from you makes everything I am untrue. I can't pretend, I won't deny, you're the reason I still try. I need you more than words can ever show, more than the wind, more than the flow, more than a heart can stand to lose. Every breath I take, I choose you. I need you like the flame needs air, like every soul needs someone there. No matter where this life may lead, all that I am, I need you. If I could turn the hands of time, I'd hold you close and make you mine. No walls, no fears, no broken past, just you and me at last, at last. And if this world should fall away, you're still the words I'll always say. I need you